Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to place limit buy order on Trojan bot. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your Trojan bot, or you can even click on the link that I have given you in the description in order to get the 10% discount on trading fees. Now once you are on this page, you need to either click on the start button or first click on the menu button and then click on the start button in order to access all of the features or all of the tabs that are provided by the Trojan bot. Now over here you need to click on the buy button, then it will ask you to enter a token symbol or the address that you want to buy. So in order to find the token address, what you can do is you can simply use your web browser and you can come to dexscreener.com. If you want to find the Solana meme coins, then you can also use CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko websites. But on Dex Screener, you will be able to see various meme coins that are not available on CoinMarketCap or on CoinGecko. So you will have to click on the Solana tab over here, and then you will be able to see all of the coins that are based on Solana. So over here you can filter it out based on volume or based on its market cap. So I will filter it out with the volume, and then it is showing me various coins that are based on Solana. So among these, let's say I want to get this coin, so you simply need to click on the coin that you want to get, and here right next to the name of the coin you will be able to see this copy button. So once you click on this copy button, it will show you that the address is copied to the clipboard. So you will have to come back to your Trojan bot. Now you will have to paste that address and press enter. Then it will show you the name of the coin that you have entered, its address, your current available balance in Solana, and the current price of the coin that you have selected, its liquidity price, its market cap, and the 24 hours increase or decrease. So here it will also show you the other buying options like a limit order and DCA. So you will have to click on the limit orders option, and then you need to provide the percentage that you want to spend in order to purchase the coin that you have selected. After that, you just have to click on the limit buy option, and then your limit order will be placed. So this is how you can easily place limit buy order on Trojan bot. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.